Today is September 18th, a Tuesday. This is the video of the sound of my apartment for Section 8 of Lesa Fox, 1205 East 22nd Street, apartment 616. This is the blower. You can't really see it because it's dark, but this is the size of it. This is quiet. I'm going to now turn the blower on, the air conditioning. The sound of the blower. This is right by the front door. I'm now going to walk into the bathroom. The sound of the blower added to the fans of the bathroom. You definitely can't hear anything. There's the sink on. Right now my daughter's knocking on the door from outside the front door, knocking. She's been knocking on the door. Coming out of the bathroom, back into my bedroom. I don't know if you can hear the sound of the highway from back there. Now if my door's shut, you definitely cannot hear out there. Here's the air conditioner. Here's the sound of the air conditioner being on. You can't hear anything out in the living room. It's just too noisy. Here's the sound of the air conditioner on in my room with the door open. And the blower out here. And that, mind you, that's with both televisions turned off, whether the kids are watching it or if I'm watching it in my room. To give you a good example, if this TV is on, you can't hear anything. You can't even hear it. You can't hear my back of my room. Sorry, give a moment for the TV to come on. That's the TV over the blower. And the kids usually have it louder to be able to hear it over the sound of the blower. You can hear the TV. You can barely hear the television. You cannot hear the television from the living room at all. And my air conditioner is now off. Thank you. This concludes the video.